Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, I will analyze a survey data that contains two continuous moderators that affect the relationship between a categorical independent variable and dependent variable using a moderation analysis Hayes process 2 in the SPSS software. The carbon emission is taken as independent variable and the purchase intention as dependent variable, whereas understanding and motivations are as continuous moderators. The hypothesis: the carbon emission formates expressed on the packaging in percent terms versus absolute terms result in different purchase intentions from the customer towards the packed food product when consumer or customer have different levels of motivation and understanding regarding the carbon emission format. So X represents carbon emission format, Y purchase intention, M and W, these are the two moderators. The figure 1 depicts the conceptual design in which the two moderator is affecting the relationship of carbon emission format and purchase intentions. The analysis is performed in SPSS. So go to analyze, then regression, process 4.1 by Andrew F. Hayes. After that, we have to select our dependent variable. So dependent variable is purchase. I'm going to reset it all, then come down. P or purchase is my dependent variable. Go up. Here label is my independent categorical variable. While if I come down, the motivation and the understanding, these are my moderators. Here select the model 2. Then go to the options. In the option, select non-centering, and then after that click on -1 standard deviation, mean, and +1 standard deviation. Continue and then click OK. You will get the results. First of all, they are giving some information that we have used model 2, the purchase intention is Y, then independent variable, moderator, a sample size of 200 respondents have been used in this study. The model summary depicts that 8.74% variation in the purchase intention has been explained by the label and the two moderators as well as their interaction with the independent variable. Further, the model is found to be significant as the p-value of the model is less than 0.05. After that, if you look at the p-values, the label is found to be significant. Further, the understanding is insignificant. Interaction of understanding with label is also insignificant. The second moderator is found to be significant and its interaction with the independent variable is significant. The test for high order unconditional interaction are the same as above, that the interaction of independent variable with W is found to be insignificant while the W with the Z is found to be a significant one. As a whole, the interaction terms is found to be a significant, and both interactions are making a change of 4.12% in the R square. Further, this table is very important, conditional effects of focal predictor. So how we'll interpret or how we'll read this table? So low level of understanding and low level of motivation, there is an insignificant effect. However, when there is an understanding at low level, the motivation at medium level, the effect is found to be significant. But the understanding at low level, the motivation at the highest level, the effect is found to be very much significant. For the second set, the three values, the understanding is at medium level and the motivation at low, medium and high level. So we can also see when the motivation is medium at low level, we got a significant effect. Further, the same when the understanding is high level, but the motivation at medium at high level, they are playing an important role in making the results significant. Now the report writing. The R square depicts 8.74% variation in the purchase intention is explained by the exogenous variables. The model is found to be significant. Predictor of purchase intention F5 194. The 5 is the degree of freedom for the numerator and 194 is the degree of freedom for the denominator or the error term. So we have picked from there. While you are doing the report writing, you must know that where we have to pick these values is equal to 3.98. Now this is the F value in the same table. R square is equal to 0.0874. The all results has been formatted in the table. Now I am going to explain it. Table 13 depicts that the main effect of carbon emission format, that is my independent variable, has a significant positive. So significant, the p-value is less than 0.05, and the positive, the coefficient is positive on the purchase intention, that is dependent variable, and I have written the b is equal to 0.7889, T194, that is the degree of freedom for the denominator, and 3.05, this is the T value, and the p value associated is 0.0026. Understanding that is my moderator has an insignificant effect. Why? The p value is greater than 0.05, and then this whole statistics has been depicted. Thus, understanding do not significantly moderate the relationship between carbon emission format and purchase intentions. The motivation, this my second moderator, has a significant effect on purchase intention because the p value is less than 0.05. Again, the coefficient is minus 2.2503, and significantly moderate, and the motivation significantly moderates the relationship between carbon emission format and the purchase intention. The above result have been combined, and we see that the both moderators has a significant effect on the purchase intentions. However, it is worthy to note that there is no change in the R scale with the interaction of independent variable and the understanding moderator. The moderation effect of interaction 1 is found to be insignificant, and it do not contribute to change in the R scale. The interaction 2 has a significant moderation effect of an R scale of 4.51%. There is a significant change in the R scale. Further, the overall combination of both interaction also have a significant effect on the relationship between carbon emission format and the purchase intentions. It means that both moderator has a making a change in the R scale. The positive value of the interaction 2, it means the interaction of the motivation, depicts that higher the motivation, the stronger is the relationship between carbon emission format and the purchase intentions. The table 15, it depicts the conditional effects of understanding at the low level, that is represented by minus 1.1802, with the low, medium and high levels of motivation that are represented by this minus 0.515, 0 and 0.515 as the higher motivation. The conditional effect of low understanding with the medium level of motivation, low level of understanding with high level of motivation are found to be significant. Again, you can see the p values are less than 0.05. However, the conditional effect of low level of understanding, this first one, with the low level of motivation, this first one, is found to be insignificant. Further, it is found that at low level of understanding, increasing motivation leads to increase in the purchase intentions. Likewise, you have to make a second table in which take the understanding at medium level and motivation again at low, medium and high level, and we will get, and you will have to write such a report. In order to save the video time, please read it by yourself. Then you will have to make a table again, the third one, in which the understanding will be at the highest level and the motivation again low, medium and high level, and then you will have to write a report. The report is written in this paragraph. You can read it by yourself to save the video time. However, if you have any question, you can contact me on the WhatsApp as well as on my email ID. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye.